Hi everyone. Okay, give me like few seconds so that everyone can join and then we can start. Guys, I said a lot of time that please don't send me request in the starting of the video. Send me request only once we finish the video. Hi Abhishek, because I may not be able to get connect you on video call from the starting because I need to finish the demo first. Okay, I'll just wait for like 2-3 minutes more and then we will start. And meanwhile, we hi Arisha and Ara. Acha, so whoever sent us the photos yesterday for Galaxy painting, we have put the few on our stories as well as on the post. And whoever is sending and we haven't put the pictures on the post abhi, हम थोड़े मतलब आज या कल में डाल देंगे वो उसको बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ अनाउंसमेंट टू मेक बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एज आई सेड yesterday कि हम और आर्टिस्ट लेके आ रहे हैं एंड इफ़ यू वांटेड टू डू एनीथिंग विद अस लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई वर्कशॉप आपको करवाना है या कोई लाइव वीडियो करवाना है यू सेंड अस अ मैसेज एट manveen@hobbyinabox manveen@hobbyinabox.in and we will see how we can collaborate. Also, one of dental expert is coming on Sunday. So be online on Sunday because he is going to talk about more about hygiene, dental stuff, how you can take care of about yourself and with your kids, and how you can do it in quarantine. So just be online on Sunday as well. Vidhi Vidhan Anu, Vidhani Anu. So if you don't have cardboard, just be online for some time and show you different alternates like I always do. हर बार मैं ऑल्टरनेट्स बताती हूँ कि अगर कार्डबोर्ड नहीं तो क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जस्ट बी ऑनलाइन फॉर सम टाइम देन आई कैन शो यू. Hansha, I really request you to send me video request after I finish the demo because before that I may not be accepting any video call. And if you wanted to join me on video call, just send me after I finish the demo. Okay. Okay, so just let me start because today we are going to do pom poms. I already made few. And if it is your first time making pom pom, don't worry, it's not a rocket science. You just need few supplies. For example, I ask you to bring a few wool. I have this one and I'm going to use this one only. But you can use any of the thread. जितना पतला थ्रेड होगा उतना ज़्यादा फाइन पॉम पॉम बनेगा. बट बिकॉज आई एम सेविंग इट फॉर क्रोशिया वर्कशॉप, लाइक हम क्रोशिया भी करवाने वाले हैं लाइक वी यूज टू डू व्हेन आवर मदर और ग्रैंड मदर यूज टू मेक सम मोजा और समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. सो आई एम सेविंग दिस wool and as well as this thread for crochet. So just be a little patient and I am showing you everything. And also if you remember, I was talking about the cotton thread wool. So this is the cotton wool. It is 100% cotton, and let me just show you how it is different than this one. So it has um, okay, it has few thread strand. If you can see it, it has a मैनी थ्रेड के स्ट्रैंड हैं, बहुत सारे थ्रेड हैं जो एक साथ मिला के एंड देन वन बना है. सो दिस इज अ कॉटन वन, दिस इज 100% कॉटन. So this is also good for pom poms, but as I said, I have a limited number of supply and I have other projects to finish, so that's why I'm not using this one as well. And as you can see, it is a crochet, so I need to finish it, so I can't use this one. If you wanted to learn crochet or any other stuff, just keep on sending us messages so that we know that you are interested in doing that as well. Oh, nice. Okay, and this is not a cotton thread, it's a wool. If you see, you will not see any thread around it. So this is normal one which we use to make sweaters and other clothing out for winters. So I'm going to use this one, but you can use any fine thread or any cotton wool or any jute rope. Any thread is fine. जितना भी मोटा हो, जितना भी पतला हो, doesn't matter. You need to have one thread, one scissor, और अगर कटर है तो कटर ले लो, अदरवाइज scissor is fine. Also you need I think a little needle, but that you can strip. I have few ways to strip the needle. If you are doing it with your kids, avoid using needle right now, like it's not safe for kids till like 14 years, so don't use needle with them. And if you don't have a cardboard, for example, I also didn't had any cardboard, so that's why I'm using this delivery box. I'll show you at least 4 or 5 way to use the same box, and if you don't have a box, you can use a fork. But with the fork, the problem is you can't use itna thick wala wool. You can't use this thick wool with the fork. With the fork, you need to use this one or this one, because if I start wrapping it around, after few strands, it may not be possible for you to wrap more. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much for your compliment. Okay, so if you have any doubts in during the demo or while I am making it, just keep on posting your comments, and I'll take on the question as I always do at the end of the session. जब मेरा बनाना खत्म हो जाएगा, then I'll take the questions. And don't worry, अगर if your pom pom is not round, it's also fine, because there are number of things you can make out of these different shapes or irregular shape pom pom. Because what I have in mind is, once it's done, I can put a little one over here, and then I can stick a few googly eyes over here, so it will be like a animal. And Mamta, today we are going to make pom poms, and if you have thread, you can use any wool, jute thread, any thick or thin thread. You need a scissor and you need a cardboard. Okay, so just give me 2 seconds. I just move the camera angle, and then you can start with me. Just give me a second so that I can move my camera angle. And I really appreciate if you guys be a little polite with Ria, because she is getting a lot of messages, but every message is so rude that she is not able to work properly. So I really request you to, if you are sending us a message, please be a little polite, because she is a lady, and it actually be very helpful for us if you be a little polite with her. And I am saying this on daily video call because I really love my team, and I know they work very hard. They work harder than I do. Okay, just a second. Okay. And we are planning for more different activities soon. Like for example, tomorrow will be natural pigment painting. So you can use the same pigment which we made like few days earlier. So you can use the same pigments for that painting. Okay. Just give me a couple of seconds so that I can make this stable, and then we can start. Okay. So let me show you a different pom-poms, and then it will be easy for you to understand what I mean by that. Okay. So if you think if your pom-pom is not perfectly round, what you can do is you can easily take your scissor and cut it from the end जहाँ पे भी extra strands हैं. So it's not difficult. I like to make my pom-poms irregular shapes because when I make maybe a rabbit or a bird or a cat or a dog out of it, it may look more natural because no animal have a proper circular head or circular body. So that's why I like to make my pom-poms very irregular. But if you want, you can cut it. Like for example, it's not more down toward this side, so you can cut it. But I liked it like that, so I'm not going to cut it. But I showed you how you can cut. Same goes for this one. If you think that it's a body of a furry cat, what you can do is you can put head over here and two googly eyes here. But I don't have any googly eyes with me. But if you have, you can do that. Or what you can do is you can take small sheet of paper and cut it in circle and then stitch it on eye space. Okay, that goes somewhere, I don't know. Let me cut it again off camera because it goes here and there. Just a second, I just cut it and show you for the eyes. Okay, so this here I can put a little glue, put it here, so it will be like this, and then I can use one eye here and one eye here. So this is how you can make animal out of pom-poms. But how to make pom-poms now? So for that, let me draw few cardboard things. Okay. So what you need is you need something like this. And why we are going to wrap your wool around it, then because it's a paper, we will use two of them. We merge it, then put wool around it, then tie it, and then cut it. So how to make this? You can make around 5 or 6 variant with the same thing. What you need to Okay, first you need a circle, then you need another concentric circle, and then just cut it from here, which I did with this one. Okay. Next is you need two of them. Second, you can make a fourth kind of cut. Here, make a small cut and then make something like this. Like for example, let me cut it quickly so that I can show you. It may not take a lot of time to make a pom-pom, but it may take time to prepare the material for it. Okay, so this is your second assembly. Third one is similar to this one. You need semi half circle. You need something like this. So these are three assemblies you can easily use for making your pom-pom. Any of these are fine. So just cut it as you have the cardboard with you. If you don't have a cardboard, then let me see where is my fork is. Yes, here. So this fourth assembly. So you need one of these to make your pom-pom. These will be the base for your pom-pom. So you need one of these. There are a lot of pom-pom maker available at market, but I don't think you should buy it or you need it. You can use any of the material if you have that. And this is the another pom-pom maker which is available online or on craft stores, but I don't prefer it because it's more easy to use these kind of assemblies than this one. Just be a little patient. I am going to show you everything how you can use one of these. Just make sure you made it will take like 5 minutes for you to make it. That's why I'm talking more about what else you can do, so that in that 5 minutes you can make your assembly, the basic base for your pom poms. Give me a thumbs up if you have made the assembly or if you already have. What you need two concentric circles for the first one. Cut the center, cut the outer layer, and then cut from the one of the side. If you have done that, just give me a thumbs up so that I know it's done and I can move for the second step. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, nice. So let me just remove it. I'll first show you the fork because it's very easy and it will give you more confidence because it's very hard and it's not wobbly like these cardboard. So I'll just show you first here and then on this and this assembly and on that half circle as well. What happened, Abhishek? Have you not? So what you need is, because we need a tie once, what size? It depends what size you wanted to make. Uh, the size of the pom-pom will be from here to here. Like for example, something like this size. This is around 1 inch or 2 inch diameter pom-pom. So you need to think about what size you wanted to make. With fork, you can make around 1 inch diameter pom-pom. Okay, good. Then it's the round smiley you put it. Okay, now what you need is, you need from the center, you need to put your thread like this and then just start wrapping. And wrap as much as you want. If you are making like birds or something like that, you need less number of rounds. But if you are making a rabbit or anything like for a doormat, then you need a lot of thread around it. I'm doing it little fast so that I can wrap it, and I can show you another 3 ways to make pom-poms. And once we finish, I'll show you different assemblies that I always do to make different things out of the same pom-pom. Just wrap it as much as you can, and once you think it's enough, what you can do is, you can just from the center part, and be careful when you slide it, because as soon as you take it out, it may spread because there's no bounding base for it. So now what you need is, you is आराम से take it out, and then just tie your last rope around it for like 4-5 rounds, and do it very tightly, because if it is loose, your pom pom may open anytime and it will not stay like a pom pom. There will be a lot of shredded thread, and then just tie this knot. I'm just tying it like 2-3 knots so that I'll be sure that it will not open anytime soon. You don't need to tie it very tight, because this is very hard, so it will not bend. But when you do it on something like this or something like this, they may bend and the size will be very irregular. So don't tie it very tightly or loosely, just tie it so that it will not bend. बहुत लूज भी नहीं, बहुत टाइट भी नहीं. And once it's done, what you need to do is, you take your scissor and then just cut it. So I'll show you another one more time with the another one, because I need to save this one for crochet. So again, I'm using my 4 fingers as I used for the fourth. Just keep on wrapping around your fingers or the fourth. Just keep on wrapping. And once it's done, what you can do is, you can again tie a knot. This knot is very important for your pom pom, so it has to be very tight, as tight as you can make it. Put your on strength to make this knot tight, otherwise what will happen, after some time, maybe an hour or so, this knot may be open and you will have a lot of thread strand instead of a pom pom. So make sure you tie your knot very tightly, as tight as you can. Okay, so I think it's should be fine. I'm trying my best to tie it tightly as much as I can, and you have to secure your knot. Then what you need to do is, you can cut it, save the rest of the wool or the thread, and then just cut it from from here. Just cut it every strength and make sure you may not cut the knot part. What you need to cut it? The end part. So just cut it. And if kids are making it, make sure they use scissors safely, or you can help them. Okay. It should look something like this irregular ball. Now what? Now you need to make it more circular. So what I actually do is I hold it somewhere in the center and then start cutting the ends so that it will be a lot of round pom pom. I'm just trying to make it as smooth as it can be. So you can cut the extra ends from the pom poms so that it will look more like a ball. And if before cutting, make sure you have a paper or a board beneath you, because it may leave a lot of chote chote, so it may stick to your floor or your cloth. I used always this wooden board as my base. That's why I didn't put any newspaper below. But if you are doing it on your table or anywhere, just put it a little of waste paper so that your these one ends will not stick to your clothes, and it will be easy for you to clean it later on. Okay, I'm just giving it a little massage so that it can spread evenly. Okay, so this is my pom pom. This is the basic technique which you can easily can do at home. Acha, if you are wondering what you can do with this strength, ये इससे क्या करना है, what it will be waste. So what you can do is you can draw, you can where is my pencil? Okay, you can draw on paper. Like for example, I make a mountain and a river and a sun. This will be my clouds. So I can stick these small one on the paper and make a portrait out of it. So you don't need to waste all the wood you have. I don't have any other color of much wood. Otherwise I would have shown you that as well. But if you have different color of wood, you can make pom poms, and जो भी waste निकलता है, make a portrait out of it. Okay, next. This was your first assembly, how to use it. Second, if you wanted to make bigger size, you can use something like this. But before going for this one, I'm going to show you how to use this. Because for this you need only one. But the thing is, it has to be a strong one. Otherwise, your pom pom will not be as even as you want. So what you can do is, and show you again with the different colors so that you understand how it will work, because it's very small one. I can't use this thick one, so I'm going to show you this thinner wood, but you can use bigger assembly and with the thick wood. Okay, so what you can do is you need to secure your one end here and then just start wrapping. And don't tie it very hard or very tightly, because it's anyways at the end of the day it's a cardboard, so it may bend or broke. So just tie it very lightly, but don't tie it like बहुत ही loose बांध दिया है, because again it will waste your thread. So just tie it loosely, lightly, but not very tightly. Oh. And wrap as much as you want. You have a lot of space here. So by this technique or this one, your pom-pom will be much denser than this one. So once you are done, what you can do is you can cut your end and then come here, like while tying, just come back at the first side and tie it. Tie it from the first end, and it can be a little loose because anyway we will be going to secure it with the another thread. Okay, so this is secure. I can cut the end from here, and then I can just lightly move it towards the side. Just try to move it towards the divider so that you can tie this wood in one. Okay, I'm using another product wood so that I can show you what I mean. So you take it your wood from here and then just tie it. Tie it as hard as you can and as tight as your strength allow. And then once it's done, make at least 3 or 4 knots here. Take it out and then cut it like we did for this one. So this will be your another assembly. Now next, this assembly. For this one, for this you need only 1/4, for this you need only this, but for this you need 2 of these. And how to use them, it's much more easy than this one. You have 2 of these. What you need is you oh okay, I just cut the end a little more so that it will be easy for me. And then I'll start wrapping it around. And because there's a lot of space here instead of here or here, so it will be much more denser for you. So you need at least half of inch space, this one, and this can be as big or as small as you want. It depends on how thick or thinner your threads are. So you just keep on wrapping. Once you finish till the center part, you need to fill the complete center with your wool. Just keep on wrapping it, and once it's done, uh, it should be, should not be any space left out. And what once it's done, like it's very ouch. So if it is like that, what I can do is I can definitely cut it from here and cut it from here. And because you have fit the center part, it will not go here or there. Then what you can do is, you can open this, put your thread around it, and then tie the knot. I can show you maybe with the same, yes, I can show you and make it more denser. Just a minute. Don't use the pom-pom. I am just wanted to show you how it actually works. That's why I am putting this. But you need to wrap it in the center, and till the time you don't have any space left out. I used to make pom-pom with the same assembly when I was kid actually. It was fun. But because I don't have any I can't go out and shops are closed here, so that's why I am not making much pom-pom today. But as soon as the shops are open and I can find more wood, I can definitely go for more pom-poms making. Okay, let me try from the other side because this side is blocked. Oh, wait. It will be a little hard for you to get it this assembly in one go, but once you get a hold of it, it would be much more easy than the fourth or the other assembly. Give me a minute, I just start it and then show you. uh, okay, and as you can see, even after cutting, there are no strand like कहीं पे भी thread नहीं गिर रहा है. So now what you need is, you need to spread it a little, then put your thread here from the center and come out from here, and then start tying knots. These after knots are very important because if they are loose, you may not be able to find your pom-pom. There will be nice shreds of the thread. Pom-pom की जगह पूरा thread का छोटे छोटे pieces होंगे. So these are very important. Once you secure your knots, you can just remove these and then cut the ends, and again give it a massage, and then cut the extra threads to make it more round. Okay, I think it is easy now, and same goes for your fourth assembly. You need two of these, and you use the same technique because instead of this space you have this much space, so you can wrap more thread or wool around it. Okay, now let me show you few variants what you can make once you are done with the pom-pom. Okay. Okay. So once you are finished, what you can do is you can have a thread and needle. Put needle from the center part and make a strength. Like something like this. यहाँ पे पूरा बड़ा thread आ जाएगा. And then tie another thread here. Tie another thread here. And इसके बीच में से pom poms जाएंगे. Different size and shapes and color. It's depend on how much you can make. And you can make a different assembly you want. I'm just showing you different ways use these pom-pom at your home and what all you can do. So you can make a door hanging with your pom-pom. What else you can do? This was your first. Second, you make one big ball, one smaller ball, and that's it. And then you can put eyes here and mouth. It would, if it is white, then it will be a snowman. If it is different color like brown or something, then you can make a rabbit with the same thing. But this would be something like this. It should not be round. Then what else you can do? You can make a lot of pom-pom, like around 40 or 50 out of them. And then take a own t-shirt, cut the rectangle out of it, make holes and put these pom-pom here with the glue. Just stick your pom-pom on every corner and you can have a different color or different and very creative doormat. So it's up to you what you can make. First you need to practice with the pom-pom and then you can make either door hanging or the snowman or the doormat, whatever you want. Okay, just give me a second so that I can move the camera and see the questions. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, it's very wobbly stand. Stay there. Let me just scroll through and then I'll answer every questions. We are following you today. Slow down since my kids is following you. See, that's why I use the 4 in the starting. That's so that you at least have a a way to do something and you can actually follow me. And because I finished this fast, that's the only reason I could show you the different ways to make pom-poms. If you want, I can just go for one and you can mate it with me. Next time I can, instead of showing you different ways or alternates, what I do is I just stick to the one done. But with that, the problem is maybe not everyone have fork at home or that material which I am using. So I don't think that is a good idea, but I see what I can do. What is a natural pigment? Natural pigments are something which is organic, which come from plant, not from a chemical. So for example, turmeric is a natural pigment, or a beetroot powder or beetroot color is a natural pigment. So tomorrow we are going to use natural pigment for the paint. You wanted to see how I cut it. So once you have this, you will see two sides, and you will see these round things. You need to go inside and then cut it. Yeah, thank you. Just make your doormat and share the pictures with me. And if you have any question and if you step somewhere, just send me messages on our Facebook or Insta and see, and I try to help you out with that. Okay, I just scroll through all the questions and let's see. Okay. If we don't have cardboard, what can be used? You can use a fork. You can use a toilet roll. You can use any plastic. Even if you have these kind of bottles, what you can do is you can just wrap it around, take it out, and then tie the knot. And what else you can use is, okay, if you wanted to join me on video call, just send me request now, because now I have a time to talk to you in person. Today I am on time. Kudos for that. Sashi at one thumbs up. I already showed you the material. You need thread, you need a base, like something like this assembly or this assembly, or a fork, or anything you can wrap your wool around it. Okay, can we use wool? Yes, I also use the wool because that is the only wool I have. I don't have much materials. Bangles can be used? No, bangles are very small. If you see the outer part, you need something like this thick, at least half an inch thick thickness, so that you have space to wrap your wood. Doing fluffy animals would be nice for kids. Yes, do it and send me pictures. If you stuck somewhere, if you have question how to do it or something, send me questions, send me pictures, send me doubts, any comments, just send me messages and I'll help you out with that. How you did the pom pom? That's what I did today. Hi, Nadius Mendoza. If you try to make it perfectly round cut, करते करते पूरा पॉम पॉम गायब हो जाते हैं. अरे नहीं तो you know where you need to stop. And there's another way which you can use. What you can do is you cut a square. You take your pom pom, put it like this. Take another circle. I don't even to find it, but take another circle at the back side and then just cut it. It would be much more easy for you to make it perfectly circle, and pom pom भी खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. But make it a little wider so that तुम center के through ना चले जाओ. Next, how to use that half circle. Like I use this one. You just need to cut it from here and then use it like the same way I use this one. I have fourth nice. What size? It depends on how much bigger your base is. It depends on that. Okay, let me see. Don't tie it very tightly because it's a kind of a very papery kind of cardboard, so it may bend. So don't tie it. Okay, she is unable to join. I don't have any request. So if you have any questions, any doubts, anything you wanted to make, what I taught till now, like कॉफी में पेंटिंग में क्या करना है, इसमें क्या करना है, या जो भी अभी तक किया है, if you have doubt, if you have question for that, definitely send me pictures, what you are practicing and कहाँ पे stuck हुए हैं, and send me questions so that I know how to help you out. And please be a little polite while sending the messages, because the lady is very young, our team member, and I really like her to work very hard. And she is really working hard, like she is working 24/7. So just be a little patient with her. And on Sunday, we are trying to bring a dental expert so that you can ask your questions. You can ask for the hygiene, dental hygiene. You can ask for like a lot of questions. If you have anything like any concern about health or any issues, you can talk to him that time. So on Sunday we are trying to do that. So that is for the Sunday, but tomorrow it's about natural pigment painting. So you need natural pigment like coffee, turmeric, beetroot, or whatever I taught you in the last few days for the how to make natural pigment. You bring all the materials, and you need a paper, paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, bring the pinrose or your tissue paper, and then we will make a painting. How to do that, I'll talk about tomorrow. Can we use comb to make pom pom more fluffy? For combs are like यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 4 हैं, so it will be more easy for you to wrap your wool around it. But with the comb, इतना मोटा comb होता है, कैसे wrap करेंगे? Just so, and also the इतना सा होता है वो, so it would be very hard for you to use the comb. Tomorrow what time? It's the same time, we are doing all the session at the same time to avoid any confusion. So it would be around 5:30. I will come online at the same time daily, so it would be around 5:30. You, if because you are following us on Facebook and Insta, you will get our stuff. And if you are making something, just send us our pictures. And if you missed anything, you can watch the video later on Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube as well. Just search for Hobby in a Box. So this is for today, and enjoy there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And keep on making stuff. Bye bye.